So I asked Elci what she's doing, and she said, I'm busy doing something for you. And look at this. Elci, which planet were you born on?
Bahia, Brazil.
What are you doing? Are you washing my sneakers?
Yes, they are so dirty, my love.
Oh my God, Elci, you didn't have to do that.
I do, because I don't want you to be looking like a homeless.
I like looking like the homeless guy.
Nah, 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 nah. I love you.
I know you love me. Oh my God, Elci, which planet were you born on, huh?
Planet Love.
Oh my God. So I've been wearing it at the farm, supervising the house being built.
And you guys cannot smell, but if you could.
It smells that bad? Yeah, big as that. This is what you get when you marry a beautiful, kind-hearted, loving, Christian Brazilian woman. She takes care of you from the bottom of her heart. I mean, I'm really blessed. I really am blessed. You know, so all my life of living in the US for 35 years, I've always had a dream of having a house with a swimming pool. And while we've had many houses, big and small, I've never quite realized that dream. But here in Brazil, we're just about to get a pool for the house that we're building on Elci's land. And even a small pool like this looks pretty enticing. So let's see. So here in Brazil, you see outdoor cooking all over the place. So we're looking for something that will be suitable for us, where we can cook, bake, make pizzas, grill, because you can't live in Brazil and not have awesome barbecues. The best barbecues in the world are in Brazil.
Se você quiser mais distante, a tubulação já é por conta do cliente. Entendeu? E a gente trabalha com a tubulação de PVC de 50.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed because if the price is right, I'm going to buy the first swimming pool of my entire...
Aqui ela tá mais alta do que o piso da casa.
You know what I love about the work ethic of people like these in small towns in Brazil, especially Bahia, Brazil? These guys are hard-working people. They're working with their brains and their strength. They're not relying upon any machines or anything like that to hold that heavy piece of log, that heavy log up there. That's going to be one of 2 or 3 supports for the water tank. I have a ton of respect for people like this, and they're working with smiles and they're not giving up like a I don't give up type of attitude. But yeah.
So you don't make a mess. You bite a little piece and you start squeezing like this, and then you do. Muito bom.
That looks so delicious.
Muito bom. Yummy.
I hope a cop doesn't pull me over because I'm sucking on a mango and trying to drive at the same time. You don't need a knife to cut this thing.
Yeah.
That was one of these quebra-molas, deathly speed bumps.
Yes.